In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company name in QuickBooks Online. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can update your company name with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're in your QuickBooks Online company and that you have the right permissions to edit company settings. These changes affect what you and your customers see across the app and on forms, so accuracy matters. Start on the QuickBooks Online home screen. Up in the top right corner, look for the gear icon labeled Settings. It can be easy to miss if you have a lot open, so take a second to find it near your profile and help icons. Once you've spotted it, click the Settings gear to open your company's setup options. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where your core company information lives, including the company name displayed throughout QuickBooks. When the Account and Settings window opens, you'll land on the Company section by default. If you don't, just make sure you're viewing the company area on the left panel. In the company section, find the company name field and click Edit. This opens the editable fields so you can make your change. Type the new company name exactly as you want it to appear. Use proper capitalization and punctuation, and double-check spelling. If your brand name includes symbols or special characters, confirm they appear correctly here. As a quick tip, the company name typically shows on dashboards and customer-facing documents, while a separate legal name may be used for tax forms. Today we're focusing on the company name field you're editing on this screen. After you enter the new name, click Save to apply the change. QuickBooks will store the update and reflect it across the system. Give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the new name to appear on headers and lists. If something doesn't look right, you can click Edit again and adjust it. When you're satisfied, click Done to close Account and Settings. That's your confirmation that you're finished and back to your main workspace. You should now see the updated company name in the app. If you're working with open forms or custom templates, a quick refresh helps ensure everything displays the new name consistently. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Account and Settings, edit the company name, save, and click Done. Keeping this information current helps your branding stay consistent on invoices, estimates, and reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.